Hi, today we're going to discuss the diagnostic capabilities of the Corghi EM9780 balancer. So, the beauty of the balancer is once you've selected the type of weights you'd like to apply to the wheel, you go ahead and perform your spin. While this is happening, the onboard sonar is scanning the circumference of the wheel assembly. So, we've measured an imbalance of 6 and 1 1/4 ounce. You'll notice, however, the ROD indicator, runout diagnostics indicator, is orange, meaning there's a problem. If that were green, you would simply go ahead and apply the weight. Because it's orange, we've detected a radial anomaly here of the assembly. Yes, in fact, we have created one on the tire by means of this painter's tape. So, we'd like now to go to a Pro Diagnostics, option 3 here, and drop the hood. Again, the machine will take weight and balance values. The sonar is measuring radial eccentricity of the assembly. And at this stage, the laser is measuring the rim for lateral runout. And in a moment, the laser will also measure the rim for radial runout. That's happening now. So, we've done rim, lateral, radial runout. The sonar has acquired eccentricity of the assembly. If anything can be improved, the machine will indicate, not only with the orange ROD indicator, but 2 little arrows, little white arrows. So I'll say, yes, I in fact want to make this better. 69% improvement possible. So, we'll set the valve stem at 12 o'clock. Accept. The machine now is moving to its ideal location. You mark that tire, press accept, and now it's telling you, go ahead, go to the tire changer, and match this line with the valve stem. After doing that, you come back to the balancer, spin it again, and your ROD should be green, and you simply apply the wheel weights necessary. So, to further elaborate on the capabilities of 9780, again, we're set to a fast scan via the sonar at every single spin. In this case, we've created a geometric, a radial anomaly on the assembly. I'll spin the assembly. You see the monitor is indicating the sonar is scanning the circumference. In this case, it's calculated imbalance values. But again, we must be concerned about ROD, the orange indicator. So we will go ahead and do a full scan. So at this point, the sonar is scanning the entire circumference. The laser is measuring for rim lateral runout. And in a moment, the laser will be measuring for rim radial runout. You may recall earlier, the orange ROD indicator had 2 white arrows in it, one pointing left, one pointing right. In this case, there are no white arrows. In this case, it's telling me X matching. Matching is not recommended. There is nothing more you can do to this assembly to make it drastically better. Okay, in this third brief video about the 9780, we'll spin this. Again, we have the fast diagnostic cycle selected, so sonar scan of the entire assembly. Very quick spin. What's happened? We checked for radial anomalies. There are no radial anomalies on this assembly. The green runout detection indicator indicates you simply go ahead and apply the necessary weight and follow that by a check spin. So, to recap, okay? Once the wheel has ended its spin, 3 possible outcomes. ROD, green, means you need not be concerned about radial issues here. Simply apply the wheel weights. Should this run-out detection be orange, proceed then to a full scan of the rim for radial lateral run-out. The sonar will get the assembly, and there will be 2 possible outcomes, as I said. Orange ROD altogether means you won't be able to do anything more to improve this assembly. When you press on the button, it'll say matching no, matching red. Another outcome will be orange ROD light with the white arrows pointing left and right. That means there's a chance you can improve it. Press that button and it will ask you to mark and line up the valve at 12 o'clock, top dead center. The machine will bring to the calculated area, we'll ask you to mark that, and then you proceed and go match that line with the valve. Thank you.